Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is August 26, 2019. This is my ninth episode about C-Sharp programming. C-Sharp programming for desktop application using Windows Presentation Foundation. In our previous episode, we learned how to use text block and the System Windows document namespace. If you haven't watched my previous video, please watch this video. In this episode, we will learn about Stack Panel and Scroll Viewer class. More specifically, we will learn about children property of Stack Panel. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio 2019. Go to File, New, Project, Language, C#, Platform, Windows, Project Type, Desktop. If you scroll down, you can find empty project .NET Framework. Click Next. Project name will be Stack Panel. Solution name will be Stack Panel Solution. Click Create. In the Solution Explorer, right-click Reference, Add a Reference, Microsoft C#, Presentation Core, Presentation Framework, scroll down, System, Windows, Windows Base. Click OK. Right-click Project, Stack Panel, right-click, Add, New Item, Code, Code File, Stack Panel. Click Add. Namespace, Talk Play Fun, End of namespace, Talk Play Fun. Class, My Window, System, Windows, Window. End of class, My Window. Public, My Window. This is constructor, system, SDA thread, static, void, main, var, app, new, system, Windows, application, app, run, new, my window. I will put title here. This title Stack Panel. Control F5. So this is our program. Now close it. In the constructor, var Stack Panel, new, system, Windows, controls, Stack Panel. We create a Stack Panel. This contains Stack Panel. Now Control F5. We cannot see much yet. Here, Stack Panel, margin, new, system, Windows, thickness. I will put 8, 4, left top, right, bottom. I set the margin of the Stack Panel, background color, system, Windows, media, brushes, aquamarine. Now Control F5. So this is stack panel. We will put some buttons. Bar, random, new, system, random. We create an instance of random generator for int I equals 0, I less than 10, plus plus I, bar, button, new, system, Windows, controls, button. We created a button, then button contains a plus I character to string. Now we add the button, stack panel, children, add button. Now Ctrl F5. So this is our application. These are buttons. Now here, button, font size, random, next, 50. We modified the font size of each button text. Ctrl F5. So up to this point, so far, so good. Now we will add a gripping here, this size gripping here, this resize mode, system, Windows, resize mode, can resize with grip. Ctrl F5. Now we can see grip handle here. You can see the grip handle here. Here once again, bar, scroll, viewer, new, system, Windows, control, scroll viewer, scroll, viewer, contents, stack panel. And also here we have to modify it to scroll viewer. Now Ctrl F5. Now we have a scroll bar here, like this. The buttons are stuck together, so we will put some margin of each button. Here, button, margin, new, system, Windows, thickness, 8. Now Ctrl F5. Now we can see each button's margin like this. I will remove the background color of stack panel. Ctrl F5. Now these are the buttons. We created a scroll view like this. In next episode, we will learn about routed event. I will upload complete source code to my website, c#talkplayfun.com. By the time you watch this video, you can click this button and download complete source code. If you unzip downloaded file, you can find the complete source code of this episode in this subfolder. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.